Hello everyone, welcome back to Technitize, your go-to place for tech tutorial and tips. Today we have a special tutorial for you and we are going to explore the fascinating world of Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly is a tool that transforms your text into lifelike speech. Whether you are a content creator, developer, or thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel, this tutorial is going to blow your mind. During this video, I will also share some exciting tips that you can use to earn money online. So let's jump right into the details. What exactly is text to speech? Well, you will hear this sound, so listen very closely to this.
Have you subscribed to Technitize? If not, please do so, as it will keep us motivated to post more videos in future.
The voice you just heard is not mine or any human, but generated by Amazon Polly. I gave it a text and it spoke word by word. Thank you, Polly, for asking about the subscription thing.
No problem, anytime buddy.
So, in order to use Amazon Polly,
Please call me Polly, not Folly.
my mistake, Polly. Before we go into the detail, let me remind you that in order to use Polly, you need an AWS account. But don't worry, it's totally free and easy to use. So let's find Polly. You need to visit aws.amazon.com to create your account or sign up. So we need to click here, complete sign up. I already tried to log in from here. So create a new AWS account actually. So I write my email address here. And I choose an account name. Verify email address and then wait for the verification code which is going to receive on this ID. So I have received code. I'm going to copy and paste here and click verify. So I need to select a password. And continue. So you need to enter your remaining detail like your full name, your phone number, country, address, city, state, postal code, and click on next. Next page will ask you to enter your billing information. After you have provided your billing detail, you will be taken to sign up for AWS and confirm your ID. Now wait for the verification code on your cell. Continue to next step. And from here you need to select basic support free. We're not going to use any paid services. So complete sign up. Congratulations, we have created an account on AWS. Now if we go back and click on sign in, aws.amazon.com, click sign in, you are taken to this page. Enter your email ID that you just registered with and then enter your password. Now enter your password and click sign in. This is your console home. We need to find Polly here. If you click on the search bar, type Polly and you will see here Amazon Polly. Click on it. You are taken to this page. You can read and go through the detail. Click on Try Poly. This is Poly interface, and we are now going to discuss how it works. At this page, text to speech, there are some rows. Actually, there are three rows. First one is engine, second one is language, and third one is input text. And then there are some options. Here you can see three buttons. You can save to S3, this is Amazon servers. You can download on your PC, or you can listen online. Inside first row, engine, there are two options, neural and standard. Most probably you are going to see only one option, which is standard, because neural is not available all part of the world. These are the regions in which neural can be accessed, like Seoul, Tokyo, Cape Town, Singapore, Sydney, London, Paris. So only in these areas you get this option, neural. So what is difference between neural and standard? Standard is a natural looking sound, but neural is like a human looking speeches. You cannot differentiate if it is a text to speech or a real human is talking. So I prefer neural actually. And if we look at the second row, which is of language and voice, here you can select which languages you want to speak in. I have selected English US, and there are many other languages like Arabic, Chinese, Hindi, Korean, and others. These are voices for female and male. Currently we are selected Joanne female, and this third row consists of two things. One is the text area, and the other one is SSML. So here you can paste your text which you want to read out actually. Let's say this is already written here, and if we click on listen.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
See, if we click on standard, and let's see the difference between both.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
Listen again to neural.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here. Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
Let's change to other sound, which is Sally female, and we have selected neural.
Hi, my name is Sally. I will read any text you type here.
Let's hear standard.
Hi, my name is Sally. I will read any text you type here. Hi, my name is Sally. I will read any text you type here.
So you can see neural is very similar to human. So you can type or paste any text you want to convert into speech and language and voices. Okay, next step is these are speech file formats. If you enable, you can select their frequency and their formats, but I prefer to use as default. And this option is used to pronounce foreign languages that is not in English actually, and you want to pronounce correctly. So you can use this option. You can upload their file. Okay, this option is very interesting. This is SSML. SSL stands for Speech Synthesis Markup Language. If you click enable it, you will see that there are some tags. This is similar to HTML tags. So what it does is actually there are some tags available. You can click on info and click on generate speech with SSML. You need to enable this. and click on supported SSML tags. See, these are some tags which you can add in your speeches. For instance, you want to add break. So this is the tag for break. If you want to put an emphasis on a word, you can use emphasis. So this is availability for neural voices only. If it says not available, then it's not available for neural. It is available for standard. Similarly, you can pause between the paragraphs. So use P tag. It is available for both neural and standard. Let's use break. And how to use break? You can click adding a pause. For instance, this is the tag you want to put inside your text. It will give a break time of 3 seconds. You enable this. Your text should start with speak and end with /speak. Let's say I put break of 3 seconds. Let me reduce to 2 seconds after read. So it will give a pause of 2 seconds. Let's listen.
Hi, my name is Sally. I will read
1, 2.
any text you type here.
You see it has paused for 2 seconds. So this way you can use SSML tags as per your requirements. If you turn it off and you don't want to use tags at all, but you give it a little pause like I will and insert comma, and it will give a gap.
Hi, my name is Sally. I will read any text you type here.
See, if I remove it,
Hi, my name is Sally. I will read any text you type here.
you can download file by clicking on download button, and it will be downloaded in format which you have configured here. We have MP3, so our file will be MP3 format, and this file you can use in your any project like this, let's see, YouTube video or any IVR related projects. Well, if you have learned from this video, you can create a gig on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and you can mention your gig that I can convert text to speech in neural voices, human-like speech, and your client will give you requirements, and using SSML tags you can come up with their requirements and deliver them project in MP3 downloadable file. So this way it is not very difficult, it's very simple, easy, and but this way you can earn money. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you have learned something new and you like it, please subscribe to our channel Technitize. If you have any comments or suggestions, put them in the comment section below, and see you in the next video.